It is defrosting. Yep, that's defrosted. Oh my gosh. I might leave after this. I think I'm the first person to catch this. I feel special now. This one's also defrosting, I think. I was mainly here for this one. But double defrost? I'm good. I don't know if this one's defrosting. This one is. See, it seems so. Dual defrost cycle. Now this one has a bad capacitor. Oh. There it goes. Oh my gosh. I actually caught one of these defrosting. Alright, my video just cut off, so I didn't catch the rest of the Goodman defrost, but that doesn't matter. I'm not worried about this one. I was worried about this one. I found out that I did catch the exit. And I am proud of that. But yeah. Ooh, awesome. Now let's see when this beast is from. It is impossible, almost impossible to read out or make out there. But the serial number, it's a 2-ton, I think, from 1980. Ooh, that's hot. I think this is a 2-ton from 1990. Actually, it's from 1980. I think it's a 1984. Yeah, I'll just say 1984. Vintage. But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching and overnight.